What's up, guys? So, a little bit of a realistic day in my life as a Forex trader, someone who has a regular job outside of trading. I do other things. I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips here and there, what I'm doing day to day. Just got off work, and the charts behind me, I'll show you. We are currently 1-1. Alright, got my super sick laptop hooked up to my super sick TV. This is NZD USD. So I'm gonna move the laptop real quick. I actually took a buy yesterday right here using breakout methodology, the resupporting over the bear 618, and went up like 20 some pips. I've partialed out since, made a really good profit there, and then I'm going to show you my NZD USD buy that went terrible. My entry was absolutely terrible. I was playing off of the 78 hit of the bullish fib here, the support with the 4-hour wick and the closure. We started pushing up, and I got in for a retest of this zone. It then pushed up and closed to the downside, and since then for the past 36 hours it's been pushing down. My stop loss is down below here, below the negative 61.8 actually, from this high to this low here. The negative 61.8 is down here, and my stop loss is below it. So I have not taken a full loss on this yet, but I know it's going to. We're creating daily descending structure, and I know that this is just a target hit, but unless we sweep this low and break to the upside, it's for sure going to be a loss. So one thing that I think separates me from a lot of people that I see on YouTube is I trade traditional Forex. I trade traditional Forex pairs. I'm not trading gold. I'm not trading US 30. I'm not trading the S&P 500. I'm not trading any indices, nothing. I'm trading literally GJ, GU, GCAD, AJ, USD CAD, and then NZD USD. And I just actually added USD CHF 2 days ago, and that's where I took my first trade. So trading USD CHF for the first time was a beautiful win, and the broker gives you a perfect payout of 1-to-1 because it is a major pair. So some of the brokers, if it's not a major pair, if it's an FX minor pair, they will only pay you 70% of what that pip. So if you're up 100 pips, the amount that you're going to see is not 100 pips. You're going to see that you're getting paid as if you were up about like 70 pips. And it's based on per pair, per broker. But with the majors, typically that is a 1-to-1. So those are good pairs to trade. One other tip, guys, is not all traders are located in the US or the UK. A majority of people I see on YouTube are from those two areas typically, but because it's a global thing, where I'm at in my time zone currently, it's 4:30 in the afternoon, and London session opens up at 4 p.m. here. So I got off work early today and was able to be here as London opened, which is great. Right? The movement's happening, all that. But ultimately, I don't need to be there for the open. It's just nice that I'm around at that time and I'm awake, because when I'm back home in Texas, it is 2 a.m. when London opens. So I am not getting up at 2 a.m. just to watch the open, and probably not even take a trade, because I don't take trades on a lower time frame. I take them on a 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily basis. So for me, it wouldn't be beneficial, but as a regular person, I do go to different time zones sometimes. So I know there are other people like me, but if that's one of you, then great, drop a comment. Let me know what crazy time zone you're in, where you're trading from, because I find that super interesting. Alright guys, so we just entered a USD CHF buy confirmation and the retest of the breakout point. So I'm going to show you guys here right now. We literally just entered like 5 minutes ago. Alright, so here's the buy right there. That's what that dotted line is. My stop loss is 45 pips. We're looking to retest and support over the 79 bear fib level. Now, this was yesterday. This is the day before, and this is the Fibonacci. This is a higher time frame bearish fib target hit. So this is where all the buying started on the daily time frame. So this daily candle was super bullish. We had a slight pullback today into those prices. We confirmed with a little higher low, and we have since been pushing up. Now I'm looking to ride this. My ultimate TP is 100 pips up here. We've got our alerts set at 30 pips, 45, and then when we hit that fib target hit, and then I'll get a notification if it hits my full TP. Alright guys, welcome back. We've got 1 minute until strong USD news. We're going to get the new home sales coming out. That is going to affect our trade here that we're in on our buy for. I mean, we're slightly in profit. We're up a whole whopping 5 pips. We were up about 10 pips at max, and we'll see what news does. But in the meantime, we're waiting on that, watching some YouTube, fitness YouTube, and chilling out. Our alert just got triggered. We're up 30 pips. I'm gonna go ahead and go break even. And I'm gonna partial down right here, market execution. We're gonna close only 20% of this, super small. And when we get up 45 pips, which our alert is set, we will partial out majority of the rest up here. So, alright, so news has flushed out. We have hit the previous day's 61.8. Reached up here. We're pretty much at break even, minus a whole pip here on NZD/USD sells. But this is the key retest, so it makes sense. Break even there, and then we're up 7 pips on USD/CHF. It's time to head to bed. Alright guys, quick update. NZD/USD completely dropped off a cliff from that, which is amazing. So between NZD/USD and USD/CHF, we're back to 70%. See if I can see it on here. We're up to 70% right here on the equity. So we're up 70% on the account finally, only 17 pips, and USD/CHF we're up 23 pips. So this buy, I'm glad that I held. It came back down. I watched it and I was like, yep, we'll see what happens. And sure enough, supported and continued back up. So beautiful. Alright guys, so we're off of work. It's Friday. I have partialed my trades. Check this out. They are up. Both are break even. I have partialed both. One I actually just closed fully because it hit my higher time frame target. So we're going to check that out. And so the first one being USD/CHF. So we're currently up 33 pips. I went break even at 30. I partialed 20%. And the rest, when I get up 45 pips right here, we are literally 12 pips away. I will partial out 80% and then leave the rest running to hit my higher time frame target here. This is what will take the account from being up. We're currently up for sure. We're secured 70% back where we started the week after having some big losses. And currently we're actually, if I closed it, this would be up 87%. So pretty chill. And here's that. So NZD/USD, let's go down to the H4. I just closed it fully down here at the -27. We got in up here at the 61.8 retest. So let's go to the hourly, and I'll actually pull that entry up for y'all so you can see that here. But as you can see, the profit's running right there. NZD, so there's the profits right there. NZD, boom, boom, and yeah, boom. So there's the trade. That's where I entered right there yesterday. And as you can see, it fell off a cliff. 30 pips, partial right there. Partial the 80% there. And then as it pulled back below, for sure hitting this -27, I went ahead and pulled out the rest. Alright guys, so final update of the week for these trades. We currently have partialed out 90% of all of our trades. We're up super well in this account. I'm going to show you guys real quick because we're about to journal. We're about to do our end of week recap video covering everything I did during the week. And that's going to be a norm for me from now on. At the end of the week, doing a little video, just going over everything. It's personal, it's my trading account, but I will show you. So right here, you can see is the bulk of the 2 trades that I had pulled out. So I partialed out of each. Then I took a bulk out of each one when they got to the right amount of pips, and then I closed one at full TP just before it completely reversed. So it was a perfect exit there. That is going to be right there. As you can see, I went ahead, entered the sell perfectly on the swap, went break even, partialed 80%, and then struck the bottom of the -27. I exited, and then as you can see, it completely reversed and would have already hit me back out at break even. So by taking this profit right here, this $4, I saved that $4 instead of letting it get hit because it made sense to exit at that target right there. As for USD/CHF, as you can see, I've still got 10% running. It's only 22 pips up. It couldn't get to 45 pips. It got to 40 pips, never triggered my alert. At 40 pips, before news would come out, I went ahead and pulled out this majority of the trade to do it smart, just in case news was not in the direction we needed. And it was close enough that I was happy with taking it out of 40 pips and letting the rest of the trade run. So it's still there. Alright guys, well, that is it. That is how my entire trading week went. Total of 4 trades, 2 losses, 2 wins. Net profit for the week was like $34, which I think is like a sixth of the account. So really good profits. Just goes to show, with the right strategy, exiting at the right point, doing things systematically, even with a 50-50 win rate, win to loss, you can still make money. So, and this is a small account. This is a small account challenge. This is very, very controlled risk. I am not a person who's super aggressive with this risk. So for me, this is me scaling up in position size. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know, like the video, comment, whatever, and I'll make more of these, because next week all I need is 1 winning trade and this account will be doubled. And then from there, we're going to try and triple it and quadruple it, and I'm going to try and turn this $100 into $1,000. That is the ultimate goal. So if you guys want to see that, let me know by liking, commenting, and I will make more of these as this journey goes along.